Good morning everyone, hope you've all had a fantastic week. So today we've travelled up to just outside of Scarborough to come and have a go at some high pheasants here at Highdale. I think this could be one of Scarborough's hidden gems. So, out of retirement today, I bought the Caesar. I would like to have shot those Miracous. Unfortunately, I have sold them. I have got my 3/4 Teagues in today. Probably a little bit tight for today, but I'm going to give them a try because we're heading out to Wales later in the week to shoot some really high stuff. And finally, I've got some of those B&P 32g 5s in the green core fibres. Obviously, we've shot the 30g 6s on the grouse. So these are a continental 5, which makes them like a UK 4.5. So they should be really, really hard hitting on some of these high pheasants today. So let's head out for the first drive.
The drive, you'll have on pegs when you get there, but we do finish on the sound of the hunting horn. There's no overuse. I want you to get stuck in. If there's a good sporting birds, shoot them. It's down to me to keep an eye on where we are with the bag. So it's not a case of just thinking, well, I've had so many shots and I've had a bit of a do on here. We don't operate up here. I'm trying to put on the quality now so that you can all shoot at what you want to shoot at your comfortable range.
Hey, no, you're right. Something going on here, I'm not really following you.
Oh, rabbit. So we are just up for the last drive after a beautiful lunch. Guys put a really nice lunch on up here. It's been absolutely fabulous. So yeah, unfortunately not unfortunately, we're here for the last drive. I am very much hoping I stop shooting like an idiot and I kill a few birds because I've shot atrociously today, but we've got a lovely backdrop behind us. They should come nicely. It's a new drive today that these guys are trying. So yeah, really looking forward to seeing how this one goes. So unfortunately, that is a finish to what has been an incredible day here at Highdale. I mean, that last drive was the most spectacular finale that we could have had. As I said, Alex has never driven that before, and those birds came amazingly, as you guys saw. So I'd like to say a huge thank you to Alex, who's allowed us to be here and film today at Highdale. The day has been incredible. It has run so smoothly. It's been very well organised. The food has been fantastic. The hospitality has been fantastic. And the shooting has been amazing. If you guys are thinking about a trip, it's definitely worth it. So on the list of thank yous, huge thank you to Ivan at Teagues. Very kindly sent me out those titaniums for my Caesar. They have been awesome. And again, huge thank you to my sponsors B&P, who've supplied me today with these 32 gram 5 green core fibres. I mean, you guys have seen some of the stuff that we've managed to kill today. I really haven't shot my best today. I'm a bit sort of disappointed as such. I don't feel that I've shown the birds the respect that they deserve. But occasionally we've pulled one down, and it's all with these. They are a spectacular cartridge. I mean, combined obviously with the trusty old Caesar, they have been a great bit of kit. So thank you for watching this week, guys. We look forward to getting back to you next week with another video. Thank you very much.